Hi everyone, my name is Jane and I'm going to show you the star hexagon. This is the third video of hexagons. Again, I'm using a 5mm hook with an Aran weight yarn. Now, before I start, I wanted to show you one of the ones that I've talked to you about what we were doing in lockdown, and this is one of the quilts that one of my students has made, and it's rather, well, it combines all three hexagons, which is one of the reasons I'm showing you. We've got here a row of stars, here a row of flowers, here a row of stars, and then a row of flowers, and in between she's got the plain hexagons flowing through.